everyone, good morning. How's everyone feeling? So today we're going to teach you on how to do Gua Sha. So just now what I do is I did a lot of hydration spa. What I do is I cleanse my face and then I put this gel mask first, then I put my radiance peel. This one I put for about 5 minutes, so one layer of this and one layer of this. So this one also helps to slough away the dead cells, and then also helps to refine fine lines and reduce wrinkles. So you can see here, I used to have very deep lines on my forehead, but now it's gone. So I really love this one. This one really helps to relieve the fine lines, reduce the fine lines and wrinkles. And I love this one because this one helps to hydrate your skin. Previous video I already mentioned about this one, so I'm not going to repeat again. So after I done this, right, and then I wash my face, and then I put my toner. Okay, I'm using this F1 toner because my skin is really dry, so I'm going to use this one today. And then after that I put my rose serum. So I forgot to bring my rose serum is in that room. Okay, so today after my rose serum, right, I already put my moisturiser and eye cream because today I'm so late, so I'm going to do a shortcut one. So I'm going to do a simple Gua Sha. So this is what I do. So I first do this first. You can do it like about 10 times. Okay, my go by is with my sister, so I can't find it right now. Okay, but you do like feather strokes, not so hard, huh? Then after that, 10 of this. Of this. I'm using this Gua Sha pan I got from Patrick. Thank you so much, Patrick. You're my supplier. Okay, and then like this for the forehead. Okay, then after that, for this part, right, you move down. This one helps to reduce the those wrinkles that you have here and here. Okay, you can repeat the same thing down there. This is like it helps to prevent when you do Gua Sha, right, it's like reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to lymphatic, that means reduce water retention, and also lymphatic drainage massage. So it helps to detox as well. So when you do this, you actually stimulate your lymph nodes. So when you stimulate your lymph nodes, right, you burn fats and you do firming. Yeah. So it's very good for us who wants to have the V facelift. So you can also do for your eyes. Later I'll show it to you, yeah? Okay, so this is done. So you can do this like 1 week once or twice. You can do it for your mom, for your husband, right? Or you can do it for yourself. And then what I do is I do this like twice a week. Okay, so I'm done. You can see the face look totally firm. Laughing lines are lighter also. Okay, good. So next, right, I'm going to do for eyes. So make sure you wipe away, because just now it's already with the face moisturizer. So I already put my eye cream already inside. So as usual, I love to do this. I put my eye cream, this one. A light layer goes a long way. It's supposed to last you for 6 months, yeah? Okay, so don't put a lot. Alright, and then after that, you do light stroke 10 times. Helps to do lifting, reduce fine lines and wrinkles and dark circles and puffiness. And then to lift, because as we age, this part droop, this part droop. So you must lift up like this also. Ta-da! Okay, alright. So this is done. I'm already done with my Gua Sha massage. This is just like a stimulating, you know, whenever you stimulate your face, when you do your face massage, all this, right, it helps to promote circulation, and then so whatever things that you put in on your face, it absorbs better. So if you like this video, give me a like on my video and also subscribe to my video. So every Friday I will actually, every Thursday or Friday I will give out new videos. I'll try to do like twice a week for videos. So look out for my video. Thank you so much for subscribing. Good blessing to you. Bye bye.